Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 19th, 2025, and we will be performing an in-depth analysis of ETHUSD. Recent news indicates a mixed outlook for Ethereum. Some analysts predict a potential price drop below $2,700, while others see a rebound to higher levels. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a recent surge in price, likely influenced by the positive news surrounding the proposed ETF. However, there's also considerable volatility, highlighted by the substantial daily candle ranges. The 1-hour chart shows some short-term resistance around the $3,000 mark. It's apparent that this level has acted as a temporary ceiling for price during the previous days. However, the 15-minute chart reveals more frequent fluctuations, but also shows a strong support level around the $2,700 mark. This level has held reasonably well. Considering the current price action on all time frames, there is a strong indication of short-term bearish pressure, especially as we see several red daily candles. However, the overall trend still appears bullish in the long term, depending on if the support at $2,700 can hold. Let's narrow our focus to the last week of trading on the one-day chart, where we see several consecutive down days. We can see that it's likely that the price will continue its downward trend, potentially breaking below $2,700. Switching to the 1-hour chart, let's examine the price action within the $2,700 to $3,000 range during that same week. This shows a clear struggle between buyers and sellers in this price zone, with repeated attempts to push through resistance. The 15-minute chart within the same timeframe exhibits even more frequent swings, but these quick movements emphasize the volatility and uncertainty of the market. We can see support at $2,700 and resistance at $3,000. If the $2,700 support level breaks on the daily timeframe, further downward pressure is likely, potentially driving the price to the next support level at approximately $2,300. In the short term, traders should be wary of further price drops to the $2,300 range, potentially even lower. However, if this support level can hold, a rebound to $3,000 and higher is very possible. Key levels to watch are the short-term resistance at $3,000 and the support at $2,700. A break below $2,700 could trigger a larger correction, while a decisive break above $3,000 could signal a move towards higher price targets. In the long term, the overall trend is still likely bullish. However, increased regulatory scrutiny, unexpected market events, or a sudden drop in investor sentiment could affect this and influence a reversal. In summary, the ETHUSD market presents both bullish and bearish signals. The short-term outlook is uncertain, but the long-term prognosis remains generally bullish unless certain factors intervene. Watch for decisive breaks of key price levels, such as $2,700 and $3,000. These breakouts would signal a higher probability of the following price levels being reached. Keep an eye on major news announcements and overall market sentiment for further insights. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.